Okay. We had, what do we have in our potatoes?
That, I killed it.
Senor Mousy.
No more. I killed
No
that.
more.
I killed
So
it
the
with
chickens were not attracting the mice, but
I'm
the
gonna show you
potatoes
what I killed
were.
it with. I killed it with this.
She did. She got it with
Yes, I
that.
did. And I'll kill the rest of them to show up. Look, already what I got. 2 potatoes.
You throw one in one bucket, one in the
I
other.
know. One smaller than the other. I'll bring no more mice in here, I swear.
Oh, you got to pick it up and dump it.
I can't pick it up and dump it. But look. Potato. I swear, you little mice, you come out of here at me, I'm going to shoot you right in the face. Potato.
Those some
summer to
pitiful
get 3
potatoes.
What?
Okay, you got what? I mean, this is pitiful, pitiful, pitiful.
I got enough for 1 McDonald's potato. There you go.
Small order of fries, maybe, and it'd be pretty short.
That's a whole summer's worth of growing.
Whole summer's worth of growing right there. Might make some rabbit
There
stew
you
out
go,
of it.
rats. Eat some
But
more.
we'd have to have a rabbit.
We can't catch a whiskey wobbit.